हेलो एवरीवन, आशा करते हैं आप सभी अच्छे हैं। आज इस क्लास में हम बात करेंगे पैरा जंबल पार्ट 2। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। डिस्क्लेमर पढ़ लेते हैं। द इमेजेस, टेक्स्ट एंड अदर मटेरियल्स यूज्ड इन आवर presentations are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of. If you are the owner and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। क्वेश्चन है डायरेक्शंस। Rearrange the following sentences in the proper sequence to form a meaningful paragraph and answer the questions given below them. So, 5 sentences are given below labeled A, B, C, D, and E. They need to be arranged in a logical order to form a coherent paragraph or passage. From the given options, choose the most appropriate option. So, let's read the paragraph. A. The species which are most numerous in individuals will have the best chance of producing variations within any given period. B. Hence, any rare species will be less quickly modified or improved within any given period, and they will be consequently beaten in the race for life by the modified descendants. So, here the word descendants means vanshaj of the commoner. Here the word commoner means usual species. C. From these considerations, I think it inevitably follows that as new species in the course of time are formed, others will become rare and finally extinct. So, here the word inevitably means that cannot be avoided, जिसे रोका ना जा सके. And the word extinct means no longer existing, जैसे कि dinosaurs. D. We have evidence of this in the fact that it is the more common species that afford the greatest number of varieties and or incipient species. E. Extinction or survival, therefore, is a function of a parameter that is totally beyond the control of the species. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं ए बी सी डी ई, बी ए डी बी सी ई, सी बी सी ए ई डी, डी ई डी ए बी सी। तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं? करेक्ट आंसर है बी, ए डी बी सी ई। सोल्यूशन है द एंटायर पैराग्राफ टॉक्स अबाउट हाउ एक्सटिंक्शन अकर्स। किस तरह से जो एक्सटिंक्शन है वो घटित होता है, ये बात चल रही है। स्टेटमेंट ए डी एंड बी ऑल डिस्कस हाउ द कॉमनर species quickly overpower the more rare ones. Statements E and C are conclusions based on these statements. Mandatory pairs would be A, D and B, C. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले क्वेश्चन क्यों पढ़ते हैं? Directions: rearrange the following sentences in the proper sequence to form a meaningful paragraph and answer the questions given below them. So the paragraph is A. The chief modern challenge to myth has come not from ethics but from science. B. Where Plato bemoans myths for presenting the gods as practitioners of immoral behavior, modern critics dismiss myth for explaining the world unscientifically. See, it was above all the Stoics. Here, the word Stoic means suffering without complaining, who defended myths against this charge by reinterpreting it allegorically. So, here the word allegorically means a moral or hidden meaning. D. In the West, the challenge to myths goes back at least to Plato, who rejected Homeric myth on especially ethical grounds. E. Here, myth is assumed to explain how gods control the physical world rather than as for Plato, how they behave among themselves. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। ऑप्शंस हैं ए बी सी डी, बी ए ई डी सी बी, सी डी सी ए ई बी, डी बी डी सी ए ई। सो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं? करेक्ट आंसर है सी डी सी ए ई बी। सोल्यूशन है this question can be solved by options. Sentence B cannot come before D as D introduced Plato. This eliminates option A and option D. D says that Plato on ethical grounds rejected the Homeric myth, and A says that the chief modern challenge to myth has not come from ethics but from science. So A should come after D. Hence option C is the correct option. It starts with discussing the challenges to myth in D. C carries the idea further and states that this challenge was above all the Stoics. A talks about the modern challenge, so D, C, A are connected. E talks about the basis of the modern challenge and B summarizes the concept. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। Directions: rearrange the following sentences in the proper sequence to form a meaningful paragraph and then answer the questions given below them. A. It also made clear that economic ideology in the service of capitalism does not need logic on its side. B. The debate on capital theory was logically won with its devastating implications for a standard theory, and yet nothing changed in the profession. C. In this demolition job of neoclassical capital theory, John Robinson again became a main player and popularized its implications for economic theory through her writings. D. In disgust, John Robinson picked up the word mumpisimus, which means a traditional notion that is obstinately held, although it is unreasonable. The business continued as usual because the vested intellectual interest in standard neoclassical economics as a worldwide industry was too great. Options दिए गए हैं A B E A D C, B C B E A D, C A D B E C, D B E C D A। तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं? करेक्ट आंसर है बी सी बी ई ए डी। सोल्यूशन है द मैंडेटरी पेयर दैट कैन बी सीन फर्स्ट इज बी ई, but this is present in all the options. So to solve this para jumble, we need to link other sentences to this pair. Statement A comes after BE as it continues the idea of business, continuing with neoclassical economics despite it being demolished. This leaves us with options A and B. The placement of statements D and C being the only difference. B is the better option as statement C needs to be at the beginning. Only if it is mentioned already that neoclassical economics was disproved would the writer be surprised at is it still being followed by business. Makes sense. Also, D fits in much better after BEA as it expresses John Robinson's disgust at neoclassical economics still being prevalent in business. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन है डायरेक्शंस rearrange the following sentences in the proper sequence to form a meaningful paragraph and then answer the questions given below them. A. If at one time one knew the positions of velocities of all the particles in the universe, the laws of science should enable us to calculate their position and velocities at any other time, past or future. B. These laws may or may not have been ordained by God, but scientific determinism asserts that he does not intervene to break them. C. But it was Newton's Principia Mathematica in 1687, containing his theory of universal gravitation that made the laws quantitative and precise. D. A qualitative understanding of the laws has been aim of philosophers and scientists from Aristotle onwards. E. This led to the idea of scientific determinism, which seems first to have been expressed by Laplace. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। ऑप्शंस हैं ए डी सी ए बी ई, बी डी सी ई ए बी, सी ए डी सी ई बी, डी ई बी डी सी ए। तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं? करेक्ट आंसर है बी डी सी ई ए बी। सोल्यूशन है DC can be seen to be the opening pair in this parajumble, as it sets the context for the entire discussion. This effectively leads us to choose between options A and B. Options A can be eliminated as statement B can come only after statement E. Statement E introduces the idea of scientific determinism. Next question are directions. Read in the following sentences in the proper sequence to form a meaningful paragraph and answer the questions given below them. A. Classical music, by contrast, encodes maturity and, by extension, the demands of responsibility to family and to society. B. The meaning of the commercial emerges out of this odd juxtaposition. Here, the word juxtaposition means side by side of the music you see and the music you hear. C. What the commercial is saying, though not in so many words, of course, is that you can begin responsible financial planning without selling out on your youth, freedom, and spontaneity. Here, the word spontaneity means quality of being natural. D. Rock stands for youth, freedom, being true to yourself. In a word, authenticity. E. Through music, the commercial accomplishes a kind of conjuring trick, combining both sets of values and in this way selling the advertiser's message. You need to start planning for your old age now to a segment of society that might be expected to be resistant to it. Options are A B D A E C, B E D A B C, C E C B D A, D B E C D A। तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं? करेक्ट आंसर ए बी डी ए ई सी। सोल्यूशन है B is the opening sentence as it introduces the topic. The word this in B is a demonstrative adjective and describes the juxtaposition. D and A continue this idea and explain by giving examples of rock and classical music. DA forms a mandatory pair as A talks about the condensed and elaborate meanings of classical music. E should come immediately after DA as it talks about both sets of values. C summarizes the whole concept and should come in the end. EC forms a mandatory pair as both the sentences talk about commercial depicting an idea through music. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। Directions. Each of the following questions give a sentence which has been divided into 4 parts which might not be in the correct order of narrative. The sentence is then followed by 5 options, one of which gives the sequence of the rearranged parts of the make sentence meaningful. You must choose the option which gives the correct sequence of the parts. If the sentence is already arranged in the correct sequence or the correct sequence does not match with any of the given sequence, make option E, no arrangement required, as your answer. IPS Clerk Pre 2023. So the sentence is farm workers spend outdoor most of their time. The proper sequence should be A PRQS, B PRQS, C PQSR, D RPQS, E SQRP। तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं? करेक्ट आंसर है सी, PQSR। सोल्यूशन है farm workers spend most of their time outdoors. Directions: either the following questions give a sentence which has been divided into four parts which might not be in the correct order of narrative. The sentence is then followed by five options, one of which gives the sequence of the arranged parts to make the sentence meaningful. You must choose the option which gives the correct sequence of the parts. If the sentence is already arranged in the correct sequence of the or the correct sequence does not match with any of the given sequence, make option E, no arrangement required, as your answer. So the sentence is: he shuffled the papers in a drawer together. The proper sequence should be A, PQSR, B, PQRS, C, PSQR, D, RSPQ, E, RPSQ. सो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही। करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं? करेक्ट आंसर ए, PQSR। सोल्यूशन है he shuffled the papers together in a drawer. Question and directions: four or more sentences are given below. They need to be arranged in a logical order to form a coherent paragraph or passage. From the given options, choose the appropriate option, most appropriate option. A. With that, I swallowed the shampoo and obtained most realistic results almost on the spot. B. The man shuffled away into the back reasons to make up a prescription, and after a moment, I got through on the shop telephone to the consulate intimating my location. See, then while the pharmacist was wrapping up a 6-ounce bottle of the mixture, I groaned and inquired whether he could give me something for acute gastric cramp. D. I intended to stage a sharp gastric attack and entering an old fashioned pharmacy, I asked for a popular shampoo mixture consisting of olive oil and flake soap. Options are A, DCBA, B, DACB, C, BDAC, D, BCDA. तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं? करेक्ट आंसर है ए, DCBA। सोल्यूशन है with that in A and then in C rule the two out as opening sentences. Between B and D, the former is ruled out as the man went to the back reasons to make a prescription for something stated earlier. So D opens the sequence of paragraph. Now it mentions I asked for a popular shampoo mixture, and C mentions the pharmacist mixture. Link DC established. Then I groaned and inquired for gastric cramp is logically followed by the man shuffled to make up the prescription. B. Thus, DCBA option A is the logical order. Four or more sentences are given below. They need to be arranged in a logical order to form a coherent paragraph or passage. From the given options, choose the most appropriate option. So the paragraph is A. Since then, intelligent tests have been mostly used to separate dull children in school from average or bright children so that special education can be provided to the dull. B. In other words, intelligence tests give us a norm for each age. C. Intelligence is expressed as intelligence quotient, and tests are developed to indicate what an average child of a certain age can do, what a 5-year-old can answer, but a 4-year-old cannot, for instance. D. Binet developed the first set of such tests in the early 90s to find out which children in school needed special attention. E. Intelligence can be measured by test. Options दिए गए A, CDABE, B, DECAB, C, EDACB, D, CBADE. सो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है EDACB। सॉल्यूशन है the expression since then A, in other words B, in such test clearly rule the three out as opening sentences. Between C and E, the latter introduces test as the tools to measure intelligence, while the former explains how test measures it. So the opening one is E rather than C. First of such test link D with E, and since then A with D, so that EDA is the chain. C expresses how tests give age related norms, and B says so in the other words. Example link CB follows. Directions: four or more sentences are given below. They need to be rearranged in a logical order to form a coherent paragraph or passage. From the given options, choose the most appropriate option. A. As officials, their vision of a country shouldn't run too far beyond that of the local people with whom they have to deal. B. Ambassadors have to choose their words. C. To say what they feel they have to say, they appear to be denying or ignoring part of what they know. D. So, with ambassadors, as with other expatriates in Black Africa. So, the word expatriate means dividing outside or living outside our own country. So, there appears at a first meeting a kind of ambivalence. A B C E D A, B B E D A C, C B E A D C, D B C D A, D E A. सो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है सी BEADC। सॉल्यूशन है AD is a clear link and so B is E. Directions: in each of the questions given below, a sentence is given with three words in bold. Choose the option which gives the correct sequence of these words to make the sentence grammatically and contextually correct. The library helped the student research and topic interesting. A ACB, B BCA, C BSC, D CAB, E no change needed. तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है ACB। सॉल्यूशन है a coherent and meaningful sentence will be formed when ACB order is followed. Direction: each of the questions given below, a sentence is given with three words in bold. Choose the option which gives the correct sequence of these words to make the sentence grammatically and contextually correct. Delighted with the surprise party were her friends. A BCA, B CBA, C ACB, D BAC, E no change needed. तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको जनाब सही करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है बी CBA। सॉल्यूशन है a coherent and meaningful sentence will be formed when CBA order is followed. Direction related to the question given below. A sentence is given with three words in bold. Choose the option which gives the correct sequence of these words to make the sentence grammatically and contextually correct. Concerned about the rising cost of living, they are A. BAC, B. ACB, C. BCA, D. CAB, E. No change needed. तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है डी CAB। सोल्यूशन है A correct and meaningful sentence will be formed when CAB order is followed. Directions in the following questions, option A and G are the first and the last sentences of paragraph. Arrange the 5 sentences in logical order and answer the questions that follow. A. Branded disposable diapers are available at many supermarkets and drug stores. One है if one supermarket sets a higher price for a diaper, customers may buy that brand elsewhere. 2. By contrast, the demand for private label products may be less price sensitive since it is available only at a corresponding supermarket chain. 3. So the demand for branded diapers at any particular store may be quite price sensitive. 4. For instance, only Savon drugs stores sell Savon drugs diapers. 5. These diapers are known to be water absorbent to a high extent. G. Then stores should set a high incremental margin percentage for private label diapers. So the question is, what will be the third sentence after rearrangement? A3, B1, C2, D4, E5. तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है A3। सोल्यूशन है द करेक्ट rearrangement is as follows. Branded disposable diapers are available at many supermarkets and drugstores. 5. These diapers are known to be water absorbent to high extent. 3. So the demand for branded diapers at any particular store may be quite price sensitive. 1. If one supermarket sets a higher price for a diaper, customers may buy that brand elsewhere. 2. By contrast, the demand for private label products may be less price sensitive since it is available only at corresponding supermarket chain. 4. For instance, only Savon drugs stores and Savon drug diapers sell Savon drugs diapers. Then store should set a higher incremental margin percentage for private label diapers. 3. It follows phonological and coherent sequencing of the sentences to form a paragraph. Directions in the following questions, option A and G are the first and the last sentences of a paragraph. Read in the 5 sentences in logical sequence and answer the question that follow. So, the same paragraph. What will be the fifth sentence after rearrangement? A1, B3, C2, D4, E5. सो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है हमारा C2। सोल्यूशन है 2. From the above sequence of sentences, the fifth sentence will be option C. Directions in the questions given below, set of sentences given which when properly sequenced form a coherent paragraph. Arrange the sentences in the correct sequence and answer the questions. P. Among the biggest implications of the coming drop in population is the end of plentiful labor. Q. China's population is shrinking faster than expected. R. According to the Chinese Academy of Social Sciences, the long anticipated population decline will start in 2027. As over the past 40 years, companies benefited from the seemingly endless scale of the Chinese workforce. T. Now that the era is drawing to a close and companies need to prepare for a sinking talent pool. So the question is, which of the following would be the second statement after rearrangement? Options है A, P, B, R, C, Q, D, S, E, T. तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही। करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं? करेक्ट आंसर है बी, आर। सोल्यूशन है the correct rearrangement of sentences will be QRPST. Therefore, sentence R will be the second statement after rearrangement. Next question है directions in the questions given below. A set of sentences is given which, when properly sequenced, form a current paragraph and answer the sentences. Arrange the sentences in the correct sequence and answer the questions. So the same paragraph of question है which of the following would be the fifth statement after rearrangement. Options है A, P, B, R, C, Q, D, S, E, T. तो दिए गए ऑप्शन में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं? करेक्ट आंसर ई, टी। सोल्यूशन है the correct rearrangement of sentences will be Q, R, P, S, T. Therefore, sentence T will be the fifth sentence after rearrangement. So the same paragraph question है which of the following will be the third statement after rearrangement? Options है A, P, B, R, C, Q, D, S, E, T. तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं? करेक्ट आंसर है ए, पी। सोल्यूशन है the correct rearrangement of sentences will be Q, R, P, S, T. Therefore, sentence P will be the third statement after rearrangement. Directions: put the following sentences in order to make meaningful and coherent paragraph. A. Despite their initial skepticism, the audience was eventually captivated by the magician's dazzling display of illusions. So here the word skepticism means feeling of doubt of something. A. With practice, sleight of hand, and witty banter, the magician effortlessly manipulated objects and minds. C. The performance began with a series of simple card tricks. D. As the show progressed, the illusions became more complex and mind-boggling. Mind-boggling का मतलब दिमाग चकरा दे जो. E. The magician, adorned in a flamboyant top hat and cap, took center stage. So here the word flamboyant means bright and easily noticed. So the question is, what is the most logical order of the sentences? Options are A, E, C, B, D, B, E, C, B, D, A, C, E, B, C, D, A, D, C, E, B, A, D, E, B, C, E, A, D. तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव से एक आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं? करेक्ट आंसर है सी, ई, बी, सी, डी, ए। सोल्यूशन है a contextually apt and coherent paragraph can be formed when the sentences are put in E, B, C, D, A order. Question है put the following sentences in order to make meaningful and coherent paragraph. So the paragraph is the aroma of freshly baked bread wafted through the air, enticing passersby. B. Inside the bakery, rows of golden brown loaves set nestled on display shelves. C. A small family-owned bakery nestled on a quiet street corner. B. D. Unable to resist the tempting smell, I found myself drawn towards the bakery. E. The sight of warm, crusty bread proved too much to bear. So the question is, what is the most logical order of the sentences? Options say A, C, A, D, B, B, C, B, A, D, C, A, C, B, D, D, B, C, A, D, E, E, A, C, B, D. सो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव से एक आंसर क्यों पड़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है बी, CBADE। सॉल्यूशन है a contextually apt and coherent paragraph can be formed when the sentences are put in CBADE order. Directions: put the following sentences in order to and make meaningful and coherent paragraph. So the paragraph is: as a result, many endangered species face extinction. B. Habitat destruction is a major threat to wildlife conservation efforts. C. Only sprawling forests have been replaced by sprawling urban landscapes. D. Animals lost their homes and struggle to find food and resources. E. Human activities are disrupting the delicate balance of ecosystem. So the question is, what is the most logical order of the sentences? Options are A, E, B, C, D, A, B, C, B, E, D, A, C, B, C, E, D, A, D, E, C, B, D, A, E, D, A, E, C, B. सो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव से एक करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पड़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है ए, EBCDA। सॉल्यूशन है a contextually apt and coherent paragraph can be formed when the sentences are put in EBCDA order. Directions: put the following sentences in order to make meaningful and coherent paragraph. A. The melody lingered in the air long after the final note had faded. B. The audience erupted in thunderous applause, their appreciation evident. C. The orchestra conducted by renowned maestro delivered a powerful performance. D. With masterful precision, the musicians brought the music to life. E. The concert hall was filled with anticipation as the orchestra took their positions. So the question is, what is the most logical order of the sentences? Options are A, ECDBA, B, CDEBA, C, BECDA, D, DCEBA, E, EABCD. तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव से एक करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पड़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर ए, ECDBA। सॉल्यूशन है a contextually apt and coherent paragraph can be formed when the sentences are put in ECDBA order. आई होप आपने इस सेशन से काफ़ी कुछ सीखा। फिर से किसी अन्य सेशन में आपसे मुलाकात करेंगे। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।